Look who I found. Ah! So we got the Bebop 2 out here. We're gonna do a little bit of a long-range flight. I'm not gonna go extremely crazy, guys. We were out here for a long-range flight a while ago with the Solo and the Phantom 3, and we aimed for that hill out there. It's pretty far away. I don't know if you guys can see the hill in the trees, but it's pretty far away. We're gonna see if we can even get to a mile and go from there, which I think is like 1,600 meters or something like that. So we'll see if we can even get out that far. I'm gonna go ahead and step across the road and get to my little flight area here. I'm gonna take off and then I'm gonna go straight out like I did last time. Aim for the trees. There's absolutely nothing out there except for trees and water and other fun stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and take it straight out. See you guys in a sec. All right, guys, as you can see, I got the Parrot Bebop 2 out here. I got the controller in front of me. We're gonna go ahead and start a recording. We have started a recording. We're gonna take off and push forward immediately. Aim for the hills. We're going for about 1,600 meters, correct? Correct. 1 mile. We're gonna try to go for the 1 mile mark, see how it does. So let's take her up. There we go. All right. Relying on FPV. And let's send her out here. Let's get some good range under her belt. Keep taking her up. Cut left a little bit here. There we go. Keep taking her up higher. All right. Let's see what kind of range this can get here. We're out in the middle of nowhere in a very low Wi-Fi interference area. Gonna take her up to, let's take her up to about 80 meters high. We're currently at 300 meters out. We're gonna keep climbing her up to 80 meters. 97% battery. Keep pushing forward here. There we go. Let's just see how she does. All right. Coming up on 500 meters, still going forward, nice and solid. Coming up on 600 meters. Hey, 1,000 more to go.
You almost reached the clouds.
We are 88 meters high. We're still pushing forward. I can still see it. It's a pretty small dot. It's easy to see right now because of the cloud cover. Very easy to see it out here in the open, so I may push it a little bit further. We'll see. Let it get out there a little bit further and see what happens. Coming up on 800 meters. This is the furthest, it's almost the furthest it's been so far. Still got perfect FPV. I can still see it on the horizon. Wow, I didn't realize it was going to be visible from this far out. Still crazy easy to see against that cloud. It's the only black speck in the cloud. All right, coming up on 1,000. Just cleared 1,000. We got 600 more to go. I can still see it. It is a very small dot on the horizon right now. Perfect FPV still. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We are just clearing it in the cloud. I can still see it's like this smallest little speck now. We're at 1,200 meters, still going strong. Perfect FPV. I see him. We're at 1,420 meters. Still going with strong FPV. (1,547 meters, still going, strong FPV. We are coming up on the 1 mile mark. We just cleared a mile. Still going. I'm gonna go ahead and stop there because I can barely see it anymore. It is a dot in the sky. That's at 1,745 meters. 1,745 meters. That's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around and start bringing it back. So, perfect FPV still. 84% battery. Let's start bringing her home here. Absolutely crazy. Coming home now. So, as I said, guys, you get yourself out of a Wi-Fi interference area out into the countryside, man. The Skycontroller is an absolute animal. I had perfect FPV the entire time. I am manually making the trip back. We're at 1,553 meters. And still very visible on the horizon in the clouds. So if this had been a bright day, it may have been a lot harder to see the Bebop, but I can easily see it still. So very interesting. I wonder if we painted it black, if it would make it even easier to see. But I have some strobe lights coming, some very high bright strobe lights coming that I want to put on it, that I think weigh about 53 grams for the set. So I think we'll go ahead and get those.
Would your little lights make it stand out more?
No, those are more for night flying. So, she's coming back pretty quick. She's coming back pretty quick. Still riding 88 meters high. We are 1,153 meters away still. I currently have 79% battery, so it only took 20% of the battery, less than 20% of the battery to get out a mile. So I don't care what anybody says, man. You can go a lot further than you think you can on one of these. It's crazy how far you can actually go. And we're just cruising at regular speeds. We're not even in sport mode at all. So. Aim a little bit more to the right here on the way back. Straight shot back to us. We are currently 747 meters away. It's starting to become very visible. We is good to go.
How many meters?
We are 600 meters away. That dot's getting a lot bigger. It's getting bigger. Ah, something's biting me.
Yeah, there's little gnats.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, there's.
Oh, that was an ant.
Oh.
That was a red ant. I was like, what is biting me right now?
See, and now you can't blame it on the sandals because you got church shoes on and you're getting bit.
Look, 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 we're over here. I should probably start coming down. Start bringing her down. 64 meters. See it? See it still? Coming in off the field? Yeah, yeah. Whoosh. Fly it right in on us.
Looks like a little alien ship.
We're gonna bring it right onto us here.
How many meters is it now?
Oh, it's only 93 meters away. Whee!
Dance little bitty shape.
Booty, 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 yeah. And we still have 69% battery left. What's up, beautiful people? Hey, what's up? Alright, let's commit to this landing here. We're gonna go ahead and land, and boom, down she goes. Alright, so easily out a mile. That's not too bad. We actually went a little bit past a mile because I could still see it against that big, massive, black, dark cloud right there. It was very easy to see it in that cloud, so I went ahead and aimed right at it. So, alright, well, we have a Wi-Fi repeater that we have to test, don't we? Let's see what happens with the Wi-Fi repeater, and I'm going to be flying it with phone controls instead, so that'll be interesting. All right, we'll see you guys in a sec. Toodaloo.